Welcome home. Finally, the future feels alive.
Morning light across the valley, soft against the sky. Every road feels wide and open, every dream can fly. Voices rising in the distance, like a gentle tide. No more walls between the people, no more need to hide.
This is a new world where the day begins again, where the fear we carried yesterday finally can end. This is a new world where the future feels alive. Every heart is moving forward, learning how to rise.
Hands are reaching out together across the open land. Every story once divided now begins to blend. In the quiet of the morning, you can feel it grow, like a seed beneath the sunlight, learning where to go. This is a new world where the sky is open wide. All the dreams we once imagined walking by our side.
This is a new world